how do we give people the best experience that gets them as close to the kind of engagement they'd get if Stephen and I were sitting across a table having a cup of coffee and he were, a development rep trying to, build a relationship with me, but do it at scale. And so in the past, it wasn't possible. But there's two big changes that have happened over the last decade that make this a lot easier to do and a lot cheaper. One is the availability of really good data at a lower price. And two is the ability to produce, mostly through digital means, but also through like digital presses, highly customized content for any donor at scale. So, the idea isn't that we're going to put a development officer in every $15 donor's house. Like that doesn't scale and it's not profitable. But the things that we can do where we can use data and technology to show people that we know what's important to them, that we've listened to what they've told us, and even what they've maybe not said to us, but what we see in the indicators in their responses to surveys and to other things. And we're going to use that information to feed back to them more of what they want in a way they want to see it and consume it,